we're gonna be gluing our material for our Super Browns and our Super Goats.
So, when we say handmade, is that a serious thing?
Yes.
Very serious.
Yes. There's much toil that goes into the production of these sandals. Now this is 5.5 ounce oil tan. It's the same stuff that the dogs are made out of, but they're just cut into 11/16 of an inch wide straps. There. There. Don't chop your fingers off. This would suck really bad. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and take all the pieces of hook and loop and the leather that we cut, and we're gonna sew them together to make the straps and the insoles for our sandal.
There we go. Much more thickness. Sweet.
Put some buttons on this guy. Rip. Pull the strap. So side. Heel strap on. Boom. But yeah, they're really rad sandals. I think you guys will like them if you order them.
Sweet.
These power straps.
Awesome. Good work, TK.
Thanks.
Found it.